Did you know that you have only tapped into 5%? 5% of your brain. Did you know that? Your conscious mind. There is 95% of your brain that is your subconscious mind, and we're going to get right into it. If you're new here, my name is Jessy.
And my name is Bee, and we help women heal themselves from the inside out. We use things like breathwork, energy work, and conscious coaching where we really dive into the subconscious mind. So if that's intriguing to you, stick around for more.
Okay, so what makes up our conscious mind?
So our conscious mind, you can think of it like an iceberg.
This is an iceberg.
If you weren't aware, this is what it is.
It's an iceberg or a tooth?
Okay, so your conscious mind, like Jess was saying, is 5% of your mind. So what's in your conscious mind? It's stuff like your logic, like your rational thinking, like your willpower, it's your short-term memory, it's everything sort of like within your awareness, your conscious thoughts.
And your subconscious mind is your intuition, it is your emotions, it's patterns, it's your value system.
Beliefs.
Your beliefs.
It's a big one.
It's your long-term memory. Correct. And your subconscious mind is really carved out between the ages of 0 and 7 years old.
Right.
It's formed.
That's when it's formed, y'all. And that's crazy because what that means is that you have beliefs from when you were 0 to 7 years old. And I would even argue when you were in utero of your mama in the womb, those beliefs probably in you, some of those at least, are still running, if not all.
Right.
So you may think that you don't believe maybe what you were in the past, but your actions, your habits, your true beliefs, your true values will probably show you otherwise.
Right. And think of yourself between the ages of 0 and 7, you're like a sponge.
Yep.
You are literally soaking in every little thing that you are experiencing from your parents, from your friends, from your family members. And like Bea said, especially in the womb, like I believe that, yeah, we have these codes and things that, you know, our parents had experienced that are passed on to us as well. We carry these codes until we become the cycle breakers like we are, and we're hashing all this shit out.
Let us know if you're a cycle breaker, if you're an intergenerational trauma breaker. That's what we are, and it's not
trauma
easy.
Breaker. We're a sponge, right? We're soaking up all of these things, all of these patterns, all of our belief systems, all of this like things that we carry into our adult life, and it's so important to revisit these stories and rewrite them and rewire our subconscious mind. And to do that, you really have to do the inner child work, baby.
Yes, that is a really powerful method. Not the only method, but a very, very powerful method to actually rewrite some of the stories and the beliefs that we have created in childhood. And we both do that within our conscious coaching. So if that's, you know, something that, oh my God, your soul is maybe calling for, ready for, you're feeling that nudge, hit the Calendly links below, schedule a free consult with either of us, and we can freaking give you a personalized coaching plan that will get to your subconscious to rewire your beliefs so that you can start noticing, why do we want to do this in the first place? So we can start noticing a different reality. We can start experiencing a different reality first within ourselves, because change happens from the inside out, truly. A lot of us think that change happens from the outside in. So then we go get the job, we go get the house, we go get the partner that we think that it's all going to make us happy. And then we end up at the end of the day, we're unfulfilled. Why is that? Because we didn't work from the inside out, we work from the outside in. So try doing it differently, try doing it different from what society tells us to do, really cultivating all of that, shifting all of that within us. Then you don't even have to do all of the work on the outside. It just happens. Of course you take aligned action, right? But like everything sort of falls into place.
It does. And I will say from like my own personal experience, I feel like when I had my first kind of awakening and I unlocked one thing, it made so many other things start to unlock. Just, it was natural. It was natural. It was like a domino effect, right? It's just like, oh, I understand this. I'm aware of this. And then that like translated to this and this and this and this and this. And then you're just like, totally
Yeah.
opens and expands you up to a totally different timeline, reality, everything.
Yeah.
Life.
Yep, that's exactly what happens. You can quantum leap, definitely. Like when you shift your belief systems, that's huge. And then if you, or when you, not if you, you're going to, you pass those tests from the universe, and they're not really tests. What are they? They're like, they're just lessons, you know, that's just like, it's opportunities from the universe. I don't like saying tests anymore because it sounds like so like 3D, you know?
Right.
It's opportunities from the universe to rewrite your story. So, of course, when I'm healing this abandonment wound within me, you know, my dad was not in my life, he was very in and out. That created a belief system, a belief system within me, a feeling that I am not enough. So, when I rewrote that really, truly at the age of 30 or 31, I was given opportunities by the universe. Oh, did she really rewrite this? You know, so people from my past were popping up that definitely did not align with Brianna, who was in self-love and self-worth. And I had to say goodbye to those people. And then enter Jessy, totally in alignment with self-love, self-worth, totally emotionally available. But I had to, you know, go through all of those experiences in order to manifest my new belief system. My new belief system is I am love, I am worthy, I am deserving of someone who's emotionally available, because I'm emotionally available first. And then 2 weeks later, oh my God, here comes this beautiful partner of mine
Cute.
who reflects that.
Yeah. Cute, angelic, harmonious music now.
Let us know if you have done some subconscious rewiring. We know that we can do that through inner child work. We can do that through energy work, embodiment practices, meditation. There's just so many different ways to do it. Nervous system rewiring. Let us know if you've done any of that. We would love to hear what you've done.
And if you like this video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and share it with your family or friends, or just continue to binge watch whatever we're putting out.
Awesome. So as always, take what you need, leave the rest, and go love yourself.